Hey, welcome back. Now let's work with rotate and scale, which is under tools, rotate and scale, or as I've been trying to pressure you guys to, scale and rotate. Q and S are the shortcuts. Hopefully you still have this guy open in some manner. If not, you can go back up to Windows Components if you've closed the window and bring them back in. If this is the first time, uh, that you've used the rotate scale, you'll notice that the icon is a protractor. It's definitely one of the more unique icons. As you move the icon around the item, you're going to notice something. It changes colors. It matches the face, the axis. This is very helpful, and you will use it quite often. I say that a lot, but it's the truth. You can place the cursor anywhere on the item, edge or face. Notice that I can even do it right on the edge, and you'll get the little helpful pop-ups that SketchUp gives you. So it's the face or the edges. So let's rotate this. Right here is the midpoint of the component. It's just as good as any. If you click on it, it establishes the rotation point, the pivot point. Click again anywhere, it could be anywhere out here or on the item, and click again, it is now rotatable. I just did a 180, so I can go back up this way. Now, if you look down at the VCB, you can see that the angles show up, and you can put in your own angles, type them in, or you can slowly go around. Or if you're a visual kind of person, each one of these little clicks here are 15 degrees. So that should really help you out, because sometimes it's just quicker to visually establish your rotation. Another neat feature that the rotate tool has, much like the move tool, is it can copy while it rotates. So control key on your PC, option key on my Mac, click, establish my pivot point, click again, rotate. Just that simple. Let's work with the scale tool. Since this is highlighted, all I have to do is hit delete, and it'll be gone. But I hit the wrong one, so undo, select the one I don't want, and hit delete. There we go. So now I'm going to scale this. I'm going to begin accessing the tools from the toolbar as much as possible to expedite these lessons. By this time you should have a good idea of where the tools are, at least the knowledge of how to locate them. So I'm going to click on the Scale tool, which is S, off the toolbar. It highlights. As you can see, it now gets a bunch, if not, I believe, nine little nodes per side. So let's place the cursor over each node. If you read each node, you can see that it tells you what it will do. That is going to be my best lesson for you, is to sit there and experiment. Watch. Okay, that's obviously not going to do anything. That's going to make things look funny. That'll look funny. So you need to basically discover what buttons work. Control, for me, Option, Shift, and obviously down at the bottom again is the VCB, and you can tell it to scale up 2.0, which is 2 times. You can tell it to do 3 times the size, or you can do it half of it, so 0.5. 0.25 is a quarter of the size. All of these options are readily available to you on most tools. Just look down at the bottom of the VCB and you'll see. So, to the next video, onward and forward.